think about how you can restate a subtraction problem as an addition problem. For example, how can you complete the number sentences below so that each subtraction problem is restated as an addition problem? Here I've got positive 8 minus positive 5 is equal to positive 8 plus some number. I remember that when I am subtracting a positive, then I am going to the left on my number line. So I have to think to myself, what am I going to add to go left? Well, I know I need to go the same amount of spaces, so I know it's got to have an absolute value of 5. Because I want it to go left, I want to be adding a negative 5. Down here, 8 minus negative 5 is equal to 8 plus. Well, if I'm subtracting a negative 5, I'm going to the right on a number line. If over here, 8 plus, to go to the right, I need a positive 5. Notice how to add the negative is the same thing as to subtract the positive, and to subtract the negative is the same thing as to add the positive. So let's take that down here. If I have negative 4 minus positive 6, using that algorithm, subtract the positive is the same thing as to add the negative. I'm going to have 4 plus negative 6. And down here, negative 4 minus negative 6, to subtract the negative is the same thing as to add the positive. So negative 4 plus 6 gives me my answer. On number 2, it says, what patterns do you see from part 1 that can help you restate any subtraction problem as an equivalent addition problem? The pattern I see is that to subtract the positive is the same thing as to add the negative.